Looking for the perfect coffee machine? Well, you've come to the right place. Join me on my journey through the Good Guys. The quest for the perfect coffee machine begins. Here's the first contender. It's sleek, but does it have what I need? I'm looking for something that combines style with functionality. There's so many gorgeous pod-style machines with bright colours that catch my eye, but for home, I need something a little more serious. You know, something that makes me feel like a barista in my own kitchen. Now this one is fully automatic. It's convenient, but I'm looking for a more manual hands-on experience that's efficient and space-saving. There it is, the Breville Oracle. Stylish design, smart technology for cafe quality coffee at home, and an inbuilt grinder and milk frother. Now this is what I'm talking about. The Breville Oracle, now proudly on my countertop. Let me show you why it's the chosen one. With just a tap, I can switch brewing modes and adjust the grind size. It even automatically tamps the grind for you. It's a matter of locking it in and hitting brew. Now watch this in action. It's like having a cafe in my own kitchen. The crema is amazing. And now to froth the milk. It has an automatic frother, or you could do it manually. You can adjust the temperature and the frothiness with the hit of one button, and have achieved a cafe-style quality coffee at my own home. How good is that? This is the perfect start to any busy mum's day. And this is more than a gift. It's a symbol of love and appreciation for hardworking parents everywhere. I found my perfect coffee companion at The Good Guys. Cheers to that.